Your shortcut to start printing money in Forex without even trading Forex. This is a new update. Why is it advisable for new traders to start trading with their desktop instead of their mobile phone? Well, in this video, I will show you the difference between trading with a mobile phone and trading with a desktop. We also show you how to start trading Forex and start making money without even trading Forex, the few apps that you will need. Make sure to stick to the end of this video to understand what I mean. The difference between trading with a desktop and a mobile phone: with a desktop, you get to see the market in a larger view and you get to see every price movement in a big screen. While in a mobile phone, you only have a bird view of markets. But you won't need desktop, neither would you need a experience for this little secret that I'm about to share with you. To start off, you need two apps: a trading platform and a broker. A trading platform is a platform where you execute A trading platform app is where you execute your trades, where you place buy or sell, stop loss and take profit. You can go and do more researching about that, or you check out this video above to understand more. A broker is where you deposit and withdraw any profit. And for broker, I recommend Exness because you can start minimum deposit of $10. Use the link in my description. It will lead you to Exness platform.
My description, it will land you on this page. So now on this page, guys, I'll be showing you guys 3 main ways to start making money on Exness without trading. The first 2 ways is for those who doesn't want to even trade at all, and the last one is for those who still want to trade Forex at all. Now the first one we're going to do is to partner with Exness. Exness pays up to $1,000 for each person you invite to their website. Now I'm going to teach you how you can get the Exness partner link. I'll show you websites, the tricks you're going to be using to get traffic for free. So with that being said, let's head straight to the video. You click on this 3 dots.
Hold up, before you rush into action, join the Telegram group in my description. It's also part of this secret. If you don't join it, every other thing you're doing here is a waste. With that being said, let's continue.
Sign, tap the partner, you sign up, wait for it to load. So now this page, as you can see, guys, for affiliate marketing, they will pay you up to $1,850 for each client you invite to their website, and you can still go in more and read more details if you still want to know more about this program. But I don't want to make this video long. Let's just head straight to the main thing. Click on start now. Do not panic. I will show you guys the simple trick and how to get traffic from social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook. Very simple, and it works 100%. Wait for it to load. You will show 2 options, which is introducing broker or affiliate marketing. We want to be affiliates. We want to be affiliate marketers, so we click affiliate marketing. Do not worry, the way that I'm going to show you today works 100%. Do not make my accent change. I'm trying to speak my mother tongue for my own people that is going to be viewing this video. So click on the affiliate marketing. Looks like we have network problem, bro. Now we are going to sign up for the affiliate. You put your email, your nickname, create a password. Make sure your password is between 8 to 15 characters. Make sure it has 1 upper word, 1 number, and at least 1 special character like star or hash. On the legal status, leave it at individual. You get why? Say compensation model, leave it at CPI. It is the best. You choose your country and make your traffic source Twitter and Facebook, YouTube. Make your traffic source Twitter, Facebook, and I've already signed in with them, so I'll just hurry up and sign in and show you guys where to get the link and how to start promoting it immediately. Let's head straight to the video. Okay, once you sign up and verify your account, this is what the homepage is going to look like. The total profit you have. So all these things here, you can just go around and find out how it works. I'm just here to show you guys simple ways how to make your own money, and I will show you guys also how to withdraw the money maybe in another video. So what you're going to do now is to copy this link, this place, copy the link. Once you copy this link, what you're going to do now is take this link and go to Twitter. Let's start with Twitter. I'll show you guys how to do it with Twitter, so you can try it out with Facebook too. Let's go to Twitter. Now once you're on Twitter, what you will be doing on this Twitter now is to look for big influencers in Forex and crypto trading world. Look for big influencers like Happy. Happy is one of the biggest Forex trader in West Africa. Let's just search for something like Happy. come and look for something like Habi. So what we're going to be doing here now is to follow Habi. Yes, follow that influencer, that big influencer. As you can see, Habi is an influencer. As you can see, he gets up to 9,000 reactions, which is not bad. It's not bad. So what you're going to be doing now is to follow Habi and turn on the notification button. Anytime Habi posts, you'll be the number one to comment. And you know, Twitter, once you be the number one to comment, Twitter will rank your comment number one. So you rush to the comment anytime he drops any post to be the number one to comment. Once you'll be the number one to comment, as you can see, many people are even advertising that under his page. As you can even see, this guy, very smart guy, doing his business, minding his business. This is how it works. As you can see, he has over 196 reaction only on his own on this post. This is the kind of things you'll be doing. Just come here, paste your link, give good comments, sweet comments that will draw people, that will make people to click the link. If out of 100 clicks, 10 people or 5 people gets to sign up with the link, and even 2 people, only 2 people make a deposit of at least $10, you are making up to $1,000 from that person. So that's how it works. You can also go on TikTok, you look the same thing, but on TikTok, big celebrities post, you see people asking questions. Go and answer those questions by asking those people to DM, and when they DM, you try to spam them with the link, and they must click, because newbies are always newbies. They're always curious to know what is happening. So basically that's how it works. As you can even see here, people are advertising their streets. You see, everybody's advertising their stores here. That is how it works. Once you be the number one to post, you be the number one to rank. That is first come first serve. Now the next step on how to make money without trading is copy trading. Copy trading is basically making money from trades that you don't take, which is making a minimum deposit of $10 and copying trades from other big influencers. I'm going to show you what I'm saying. Other big traders in the Xnest trading app. For that, you register. Let's go to this register. Once you click that link, the first page, you go to register. Now once it loads, you sign up, you create an account. If you already have an account, you sign in. But if you don't have, create an account. It's very, very simple. Just you register your country, your email, password, and like that your account is being created. But I will advise you verify your account with the basic verification it is needed. There are a few things you will verify. Then Xnest will give you free and open every feature they have in the app. So with that being said, let me just go straight, because I'm already signed in. Let me go straight and sign in to the app. And once you sign up, you create an account. I'll advise you start with standard, because with standard you can make a minimum deposit of $10. So start with standard, click on continue. After you sign up, then you download the Xnest app. That is where you'll be doing the copy trading. Now for that one, I will make a separate video for that so you understand more, because copy trading it's just like getting a new professional trader that will trade your account. I will make another video and show you guys the people I recommend to copy their trading. So with that being said, let me just head to number 3 immediately. Now how to do this number 3 is actually taking signal. Number 3 is taking signal. Now this signal is when you make a deposit of at least $10, so this is your Xnest account, then you take signal from professional traders like I myself. And how to do that is to connect your Xnest to MT5, which is your trading platform. To do that, first of all, go and download MT5. Come to Play Store or App Store, anyone that you use, and download the MT5 app. I recommend the MT5, not the MT5. So I've already downloaded it. It asked me to upgrade. I'm not going to update it right now once I finish this video. So now we have the MT5. You come back to Xnest website, click on this 3 icon, you copy this information. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to this place. Now what you're going to do here is to copy this, your number, the platform is MT5, of course. The server name is very, very important. It's very important. Now copy these 2 information, come to MT5. So once on this platform, what you're going to do is to click on this 3 icon here. Click on this 3 icon. Go to manage, then you click on this plus sign, and then you search for Xness Tech Limited. Now you copy this information, those information I told you from earlier. You copy those information, you bring it here. The login is your number, that number I told you to copy. The password is the password you open that account with. Then this server, the server's name is the same thing with yours. After clicking that, you just click on login, and automatically you already logged in. That's how to log in.
After you've connected your broker to your MT5, just like I showed you, it's time to start the real deal. Follow the free Telegram group in my description. Here I send everyday signal like I guide you through lot size to use and when to buy or sell any currency. And if you don't know how to take any signals at all, check out this video above so you don't get lost and confused when you join this group. For this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you owe me. Click that subscribe and like button. It really motivates me a lot. Thanks for clicking. You are part of this building builder.